Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Canva website to HTML. All right, let's begin. First, open your Canva website in your Canva account. As you can see, I already have a sample website created here. Now click on Publish Website and make sure your website is publicly visible. Wait for a few seconds, and once the website is live, click on View Website to open it in a new browser tab. Next, go back to your Canva Editor tab. There are two ways to get the HTML version of your website from Canva. The first method is to click on Share, then click on the three dots and select Embed. Here, you'll see an Embed Code option. Click on Embed, and Canva will generate the HTML embed code for your website. Simply click Copy to copy the code. This code can be used to embed your Canva website into any HTML project or web page. The second method is through the public link of your website. Go to the public view page, right-click anywhere on the page, and select Save As. A window will appear. In the drop-down menu labeled Save as Type, choose Web Page, HTML Only. Then click on Save. Once the file is downloaded, open it, and you'll find your Canva website saved as an HTML file. Depending on your design, if your website is built mostly with images or themes, some parts might appear blank, but other elements and text will still be visible in the HTML structure. And that's it. So that's basically how you can convert Canva website to HTML. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.